Welcome back my friends. This is an itel a16 and its screen is broken, so we are gonna repair it. First of all, I started by unscrewing all the screws. Then I removed the chassis covering the motherboard. I disconnected the touch sensor fiber, then had a look on the new touch sensors which I'm going to use. I placed the remaining part of the phone on the screen separator so that the glue that's holding the touch screen weakens. Then I used a piece of plastic which I removed from an old screen guard so that I can use it to remove this old broken touch screen. After removing the broken touch screen, I applied some glue and placed a new touch screen. I then connected the fiber that connects the touch screen to the motherboard and the fiber that connects the inside screen to the motherboard. After that, I placed back the outside cover that covers the motherboard and inserted the battery, then switched on the phone. I tested the touch screen to see whether it works fine. After finding out everything works well, I inserted all the screws back. If you like this video or learned something new, don't hesitate to give me a like, share and subscribe. Check out my channel also for some new awesome videos. Thank you.